In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung tablet password. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the password that you have in place for your Samsung tablet. This will work regardless of the model. Having a password is important if you don't want other people potentially accessing your applications, your photos, videos, and documents. And you will be able to change the password itself and also the type of password or screen lock that you have in place. To do this, you have to access the settings, and inside of the settings, go over to the lock screen category. So you will find lock screen inside of settings. When you choose lock screen, the first option is going to be referring to the password. So even though it is not called password, what you have to do is go into screen lock type. If you have a certain type being used, such as a pin, it will be displayed here. Otherwise, it will be empty. When you go into screen lock type, you will be able to manage the screen lock options that you have currently available. Keep in mind that if you already have a password or a pin or a pattern put into place, you will have to input it to access these options. So you can only change the password if you are able to input your current password. So first, they have to swipe. This one provides no security. It is a single swipe that you do to unlock the device. And of course, it is just a quick way to go in but still have a lock screen. Then you have a pattern which has medium security. This is where you will be able to draw something with your fingers, and people will have to reproduce the pattern if they want to get in by swiping in the correct order and positions. Pin will allow you to set a medium high security code, which is essentially a bunch of numbers, and by setting the pin, only the people who know the secret of numbers will be able to get in. A password, it has high security because alongside numbers, you will also be able to do letters. So you will be able to use the entirety of the alphabet, and you can also use numbers. So type out any password that you want to use, and you will be able to lock your Samsung tablet. You can also set it to none, which is only recommended if you don't have to worry about people potentially accessing everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet password. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.